Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jake Motzinger. I just want to do a unboxing of the sunglasses by Movement, MVMT, the brand MVMT, based out of Los Angeles. I actually just ordered another pair of their Ace model, which is sort of like a Aviator style with plastic on the outside versus metal. I had a pair, I scratched the lens. I was still wearing them because I loved them so much, but then I sat on them. So I got another pair and I have the box here with me, and I just wanted to show you what it's like to receive a box of those sunglasses. Okay, so first you'll see this in your mailbox. It's not much bigger than sunglasses cases. I'm actually covering my address right now. This is what you see on the inside of the box. Welcome to the Movement. And then right here, we have a cardboard box. This is really nice, like a gift box almost. Cardboard box, and take the top off. How to connect with them on their social media, but it's also got get a $15 off coupon right there. This is a little bit about the company right here, and then this is going to be your actual sunglasses case. So this case is really nice. It's actually sort of a rubber feel to it. I'm not sure exactly if it is rubber or some kind of plastic, but embossed is the Movement logo right there. And then when we open it up, it's got the felt lining, and this is hard. It's a hard case, and I really like that because you can throw it in your bag and not worry about your glasses getting smashed. Here is, of course, the microfiber towel so you can wipe it, and then we also have the glasses. So these are the Ace glasses. Okay, I got all the paper off and the plastic off. So this is what the Ace looks like. Again, like I said, it's an Aviator style with plastic. These have the black lenses. You have a really nice brand logo right there, MVMT. Same on this side. And then on the inside, you have what says join the movement. On this side, you can see that it's called the Ace and that it is made in China. All right, so I'm gonna put these on for the first time. These are I already had a pair, but the first time I'm putting these ones on, okay? So they fit my face well. I have like an oval face, long face, and I like these a lot because they're kind of a play on the Aviators. They are not as, I would say, they don't drop like a teardrop as much, and also they are plastic. My face actually reacts to metal, so I usually get a rash right here when I wear the metal frames. But I really like these ones. They stay on my nose, they hook behind my ears very comfortably, and they have a little bit of a squeeze on my head as well. All around, I really like these sunglasses. I like the style, I like the price. I believe retail, they're actually $78, but I got them with the year 8 sale, so $56 plus shipping or tax or whatever it was a total of $64. So again, I really like the Movement company. They're based out of Los Angeles. I believe it was the same exact high school graduating class that my wife went to that the guy came out of, so she went to high school with him, and I really like their brand. I like their products too. So anyways, I give these a thumbs up. I bought them again. This is my second pair because I like them so much. So anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up or a like or subscribe if you like them.